Hi, this is Judy in the embroidery department at Kaizink, and today we're doing the backs of hats. These are flex fit hats. So the first thing that you want to do is remove the stitch that's preventing this from laying flat. There's a little stitch in here. I'm just going to remove that with a seam ripper, and then it will lay flat. Next thing is I'm going to put a little bit of sticky backer where the embroidery is going to go. And then I'm using just a little piece of black tearaway because just for aesthetic purposes. And I'm going to make sure that my hoop is set to the tightest position. And then I'm just going to hoop it just like anything else, any other hat. Sticky back. That's great. And this is going to be loose, so I have a couple pieces of chipboard here. Just something to make it a little bit tighter in the hoop. And from there, you just put it on the machine, same as a regular hat.